Today I'm going to take you back to my childhood for a quick and easy recipe called chicken BunWiches. This is a recipe that my mom and my Aunt Doris made for my sister, brother, and I, and also my cousins. And we would have this prepared ahead of time, and it was like a quick grab-and-go thing that you could hand each person a BunWich, and then we could sit down and enjoy our food together. So this is how we make it. We're going to use some shredded chicken. This is just a roasted chicken that I pulled all the white meat off of. I'm going to use a small Vidalia onion, 3 hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to use a 1/4 pound of sharp cheddar cheese, so it's half of an 8-ounce package. I'm going to use about 10 olives and about 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. Alright, we're going to start by mixing all these ingredients. I'm going to chop the eggs first, and chop the olives, and chop the onion, and I'll be right back. Alright, I chopped up 3 hard-boiled eggs. Maybe you want to take a closer look here. And I chopped up 10 or 12 olives and a small onion. So we're going to take 2 cups of shredded chicken and put them right in the bowl. We're going to add the 3 chopped up hard-boiled eggs. And then also the olives and onions. Now if you like to add pickles or something else, feel free for this recipe. But this is the way we ate it in the Rohde household. Alright, I'm going to estimate here half of this bag. And we're going to scoop in the mayonnaise. Alright, now while I'm mixing this up, I want to tell you, I'm going to move it towards myself a little bit here, that the other day my cousin Warren had a little family reunion when his kids graduated from college, and I got to get together with my cousins who I hadn't seen for a long time. And one of the things we reminisced about was how when we were kids our moms would make chicken BunWiches. And whether or not it tasted really good to the kids, well, we always ate them and we liked them, but the best part we enjoyed was playing with the foil wrappers afterwards. It became a battle of who could throw the rolled up ball of foil into the other person's cup of milk. Or, as my cousin Ronnie mentioned, who could hit the fish tank. And our moms would get a little wound up. Okay, look how easy. It's kind of like making a tuna salad or something like that. Alright, what we're going to do now is take a couple pieces of aluminum foil, and we're going to make individual wrapped sandwiches here. Alright, you can get yourself some hot dog rolls, and I have the potato hot dog rolls here today because I think they have a lot of nice flavor, and they're pretty thick, so they make a nice sandwich after it gets baked in the oven. Speaking of the oven, I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees right now, and we're going to fill each one of these buns. I can just taste them. They're good. And my cousin Jeannie, she says she still makes these today, so I was glad to hear that. So you can stuff them nicely, put them down in a piece of foil, wrap them tightly, because that cheese is going to melt, and twist the ends up a little bit. Alright, I'm going to do that till I finish up the bowl. Stuff them real good. Wrap it up. Twist the ends. There you go. Okay. Now I really stuffed these, and you could make another one or two, but putting less filling in. What I have here is 5 chicken BunWiches. Okay, gonna get a cookie sheet. The oven is preheated. We're gonna toast them up 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, they're done baking. Here they are. Now, what you would do is let these cool a little bit until you're sure they're cool enough to hand out. And then you give one to each person who's there to share your dinner. And it's a grab and go item, not too much fuss about plates and all that stuff. But I'm going to open one up for you. It's still pretty hot. Okay, can you peek inside? Look at that. There's a chicken BunWich. All the cheese is melted and the chicken and nice and hot, nice and gooey. And that's how you would enjoy your dinner, with a chicken BunWich. And then when you're all done eating that little toasty sandwich, you take the ball of foil and you roll it up and you throw it in the fish tank. Actually, my cousin Ronnie did hit the fish tank. He was the best shot. Okay, guys. Thanks, cousins, for bringing up this happy memory. And we got to talk about it with my sister and brother and my mom, too. So it was really fun to bring back this memory. And now I got to share the recipe with you. Try making this for your family. And it's a nice thing to put in lunches or something like that. It's really a good sandwich. Thanks for watching.